Hi everyone! This video will show you how to use the tunnel section analysis feature. To use this feature, first import the designed axis and section, and then generate the section for comparison. Now we'll walk you through this process. Load and select the calculated tunnel data. First, select the point cloud and click Section Analysis - Design Axis Line to import the designed axis line. Define the break link information, which indicates whether there are intermediate mileage breaks in the design process. If there are mileage breaks, enter break link details with starting and ending positions required. If not, proceed to the next step. As the demo data has no break links, we skip this page. Next, define the level curve. You could do so in two ways: intersection method and line element method. Choose the definition mode based on the data. Here, we use the line element method for the demo. There are some common line types for axis line design. Select the desired one based on the data. In the example, the first line is straight. Enter the axis line information sequentially. And then click Add. The second line is a circular curve. Similarly, input the data sequentially and click Add. Configure the level curve and click Next to proceed with the secondary curve settings. The level curve shows variations in the XY plane, while the secondary curve shows variations in the Z direction. Open the file containing secondary curve data. Set the mileage, elevation, and radius for the secondary curve. Once completed, click OK to finish importing the designed axis line. Next, click Section Analysis - Design Section. On the pop-up page, choose Line or Arc for the line type to form the section. Here, the demo section has 3 straight lines and 1 circular arc. Open the section file and enter data accordingly. If the line is a circular arc, input the radius. Once completed, click OK to finish the design section. Then, the axis line and section files will be generated on the left. Now, select the point cloud and click Section Analysis - Section Generation to generate section information. On the pop-up page, select the designed axis line. Then, enter the starting and ending mileage, mileage interval, and section thickness. Also, you can set specific mileages for sections and separate them by comma if multiple. Once completed, you will see the sections generated at set intervals and mileages. Then, select one of these sections for comparison. Click Section Analysis - Section Comparison. Select the Design section. Enter the required points for comparison and leave other settings as default. Once the comparison is done, a new data file will be created. Hide the point cloud to view the comparison details between the actual and design sections. Select the comparison result to analyze it further. Click Section Analysis - Result Annotation. In manual mode, you can compare and see any deviation at the click location. In automatic mode, set the mileage interval, and you can compare and see any deviation at the set interval. For other sections, you can follow the same method for comparison. Once you have the comparison results, check the corresponding section details at the top. To export comparison results, click Section Analysis - Report Output. Set a name for the report, choose a path to save it, and then click OK to generate the report. The report displays selected output sections as well as overbreak and underbreak volumes.